fans.
Hi.
We're back with another experiment from the Frightful First Experiments kit from
Galt.
We like Galt. Right. This, I'm not sure what number this is. I think this is like number 16 or 17 or something.
Wait, how many experiments are there?
I think it's 18 altogether.
We've only got 2 pieces left, so this must be number 17.
Yay!
But wait, I think we only have like maybe a day left. Or a few hours.
If you remember, we're stuck in Science Towers and we need to complete all the experiments to get out. So we better get going. So this one is Baron Frankenstein's panting plants.
Panting?
So you've got another jigsaw piece, which is good.
Ooh, hold on. Where does it fit? It fits here. I definitely see loads of presents and maybe a bird.
Okay, maybe bring that into the middle so that the camera can see it. There we go. Yeah, we're getting there. So what does Baron Frankenstein say? He says, good job with the greedy greenery experiment. That was the one with the carrots.
Yeah.
Aren't plants amazing? They were pretty cool.
Yeah, we did leave them for a while. Wait, we left it for 3 weeks. So are they going to let us, like, finish them?
Oh gosh, yeah, I didn't think about that. I think that's okay, because it's
part of the experiment.
So we've got another plant experiment for you this time. See how you get on with this one. Okay, so what we need for this one is the test tube and the test tube rack.
Hold on, can I ask one more question? Haven't we missed our party?
No, not yet. It's waiting. It's fine.
Okay, I think I did call the party to say we might be a while.
Yeah, well, it is your party, so they're not going to start without you.
No.
So anyway, test tube and test tube rack.
Yes.
Okay. Some red food colouring.
Chef. Oh, it's so tiny.
A stalk of celery with leaves. Yeah.
This is my knife.
A mixing stick. 100 millilitres of water.
Exactly 100 millilitres.
A sharp knife.
There.
And an adult assistant.
And remember, kids, always be careful with knives.
Be careful with knives, kids. Make sure you've always got an adult with you. Which is why, for this experiment, there's a horrible danger warning.
Really?
Which says, always be very careful when using a knife. Ask an adult assistant to help you with the difficult and dangerous cutting work. There's also a horrible mess warning.
Oh, horrible everything.
Be very careful when using food colouring and take special care when opening the pots. Right, so what first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to put some red food colouring in it until it makes a nice blood red colour.
This is going to be satisfying. I really want to do this.
So try not to get it on the tablecloth. That's it.
How many drops?
As many as you like. Let's move that out of the way so you get enough, as red as you can.
So maybe 3 or 4?
Yeah, keep going. And then when you think it's good.
Shall I mix it?
Yeah.
Shall I add one more maybe?
Watch what you're doing though. Make sure it goes in the water.
Okay, I'm going to...
See if you're happy with that colour, and if not, we can add some more. So give it a mix, see what you think.
Is it really blood red?
I think more.
Okay, what should I do this? Just put it on
the plate. Right, I think put another 4 in.
4? Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, there's probably a lot in here. And there's not many experiments left. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
that's going to be good.
Hold on, wait, we've got to mix it. Wait, can I mix it? Oh.
Are you happy with that colour?
What do you think?
Or do you want it to be even more red?
How are we going to need food colouring for the next one?
No.
We can
Put some more in.
Yeah.
Give it a good dollop.
How many do you think?
Go on, just keep going. Yeah, that should be good.
Should we mix it again? What are we going to do with the leftover?
Oh, I'm sure we'll find another experiment. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Right, so that was probably like 20 drops or something, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So there you go, science. It's about 20 drops of food colouring.
Is that going to be enough for the celery?
Yeah, it's going to be fine. Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to cut the bottom off the celery in a straight line so that it's level. So I'll do this bit. So what we're going to do, because you can see the celery is a bit curved.
Yeah.
So I'm going to cut a bit off so that it's nice and
crunchy.
Straight.
Is it straight?
Yeah. Ish. I need to actually check that it's going to fit in the test tube.
Oh. What if it doesn't? Like Sheldon didn't fit in the pot. Oh no, it doesn't, does it?
No, I'm not actually sure what we need the test tube for.
Do we need the test tube?
No, I think we can just put it in the beaker.
We don't you
Right.
need the
I
test
don't know why
tube?
they've asked told us to put.
Maybe you put that all in there and then put it in.
Well, we could do, but I think we could just stick it in there. Anyway, so it's nice and straight.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to stick it in there for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah. Do you want to stick it in?
Yeah.
We're just going to leave it. So we'll see you in about 10 minutes, like that.
We're back.
Okay, so we've left this celery in this beaker for 10 minutes. Now let's see what's going to happen. So
Not really.
it's gone quite red on the outside.
Has it?
Well, look.
Up there it has.
Yeah,
But at the
but
top.
not at the top, no. But what we're going to do now is we're going to cut into it. So I'm going to, but I'm not going to cut all the way through. I'm going to just gently cut.
Oh, that's
Like that.
fine. Yeah.
And so I'm just cutting about 2 millimeters into the surface.
Okay.
Alright, and then I'm going to just gently bend it. And hopefully, if I can do it without snapping it,
Did you snap it?
what you'll see, can you see those stringy bits in there?
Yeah. Ooh.
Can you see them?
Yeah.
And they should be, you can see there, a bit red.
Yeah, they are a bit red. Not
So if I
very.
just hold it up to the camera, you should see the stringy bits in there. And then they've, oh, I don't want to break it.
Don't worry. Ooh.
So definitely those ones, the red.
Yeah, a little
Yeah.
bit. That's actually really satisfying. It's a bit like.
And if you look on that end, can you see?
Ah.
They're definitely red there. You see, camera? So what does that tell you? Now, but if I cut up here,
Yeah. Nothing.
no red,
Why?
right? So red,
No red.
no red. So what does that tell you about what's happening?
Nothing.
Doesn't tell you anything.
Tell me what it's meant
Okay,
to
what
tell
it tells you is that the water, the plant, the celery, is sucking up the water from the bottom up towards the leaves. Yeah. Because it's slowly moving up the celery stalk. And if we left it for long enough, then you should find that the leaves would go red. A bit like the one we did before, which was an epic fail. So that's a process called transpiration. All plants do it. They suck it up, suck water up through, which different plants have different ways of doing it. So these celery sucks it up through these little tubes it
Oh,
has.
just break it off, Mummy. It'll be satisfying.
I don't want. Oh.
It's satisfying, though. Just break
Look,
it.
see? Can you see the stringiness?
Yes.
So it sucks it up through
break
them.
it. Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
So look, you can see.
Can you take them out? No.
So they've definitely gone a bit reddish. Yeah?
Yeah. That's cool.
And so they're taking all the water up into the plant. And you can see that because it's gone red.
Yeah.
All right?
A little bit.
It's a little bit red. We did a little edit to the celery experiment just to see what would happen.
If we put all the food colouring
So
in.
Ellie put all of the food colouring that was left in the water. So it went really, really red.
And the leaves have been
And then we stuck the celery in. And it's been in there for an hour?
Maybe.
About an hour, probably. And it has gone properly red.
Mm-hmm.
And even the leaves have started to go red, if you can see.
Yeah.
So I'm going to hold it up so that you can properly see that the leaves are going red. So that just shows even better than it did before that the dye is going up from the bottom, which is now really, really red. And be a bit careful because I don't want to get it everywhere. Up to the leaves. Now I don't know, I didn't bring a knife, but should we snap this and see what it's like?
Be careful though.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, wait, it actually. Wait, pull it out.
Oh, and I can't without breaking it. But those red stringy bits.
I've gone properly red.
Properly
Wait,
red.
do the bits by there. How red's that going to be? Oh, Wow.
So there we go.
I think you were meant to put all the
Yeah, I think that's good. So, wow, look at that.
Oh,
They're
Mum,
really
you have
red.
blood on your
I know.
finger.
So it's really red. So it just shows that plants suck up water towards their
Oh, I can
leaves.
smell it.
So there we go.
Wow.
So back to the video. Red. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there you go. So that's transpiration. All plants do it, and that's how they suck the water from the soil up through the plant. So what do you think? So that was the panting plants. What do you think of that one?
I think it's good, but why is it called panting?
Because I don't know. So what score do you want to give it?
You go first.
I'm going to go. Well, I'm going to go 7 again. I'm going to go 7 because I thought it was quite good. It was quite clever, but it didn't quite go as red as I would have liked.
Yeah.
So I probably would have left it a bit longer.
I'm gonna go 7 as well.
Yeah. Why do you give it 7?
Same reasons as you.
Okay. So this one gets a 7.
Mhm.
Cool. All right. Well, there we go, science fans. That was the panting plants, not panting pants. Panting plants experiment from the Frightful First Experiments box by
Gout.
If you like what we're doing, go to our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie.
And don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
see you next time, science fans.
Bye.
Bye.